Hey, welcome back to the channel. You're in for a treat today because we have found a new Asian restaurant near our house. It is called Sizzle, authentic Asian street food. Man, this place has got some incredible items to choose from. And we just found it by word of mouth. It has got fresh, authentic, handmade food that is simply just out of this world. I mean, ramen, sizzling plates, dumplings, all made from scratch. Look at this menu. Wow, so many things to choose from. Well, today we decided, at least I did, I decided I want to try some ramen. So that's what I chose. But hey, just look at all these pictures. Let's get started. It's got everything in it.
Looks pretty good.
Incredible. All that pork. Wow, this seafood ramen. Just so much flavor. So many extra items that you could order. You'll never go hungry, that's for sure. Pan-fried pork buns that are crispy on the bottom. You've got the fantastic Shanghai soup dumplings that are totally awesome. And you've got these things like beef, egg pie cakes that maybe you've never tried before. But hey, there's a friendly staff here to help you review the menu and pick out items that you'd try for the first time. I highly recommend going here. It really is authentic Asian street food. One last thing, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.